How to get double XP in Duolingo. Earning double XP in Duolingo can significantly accelerate your language learning process, and here is how you can get the double XP in Duolingo. So without further ado, let's get started. The first method is to activate an XP bot. For that, you can use an XP bot which doubles your XP for a limited time. This is the quickest way to maximize XP earning. You can either purchase with gems unless you are an Duolingo Plus user, or you can earn for free after completing the levels or challenges. Sometimes we can call it as a rewards. So once you have completed your rewards, you can earn for free, or you can complete some timed challenges. Engage in the timed practice challenges for quick XP boosts. This offers extra XP if you finish within the time limit. So make sure to check for those timed challenges in order to earn the double XP. Or you can use the short lessons. Focus on completing the shorter lessons during your XP boost to maximize the number of lessons you can finish quickly. So by following all these methods, you will double your XP efficiently without much extra effort. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.